Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So tonight Mike is going to be helping me. We're going to be making some homemade vanilla. We do sell this in our store and we currently are sold out. So it's time to make some. This will be ready for sale in about 4 weeks, but we generally say that the longer it sits, the better. So we usually say a minimum of 3 months before you use it, and then 6 months is even better. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing Mike is doing is he's going to be cutting the vanilla bean in half lengthwise. And then he's cutting them in half. So these are Madagascar vanilla beans. So they're just like pods, vanilla bean pods.
And that's for 1 jar.
And then these are the jars that we're using. These are great. They have a nice tight seal on them. So that's what you're using. And then this is the alcohol we're using. We had some vodka left over from the last time we made some, and then we got a brand new bottle. So we'll be using that. Now we bought these vanilla beans from Amazon, but I do have another pack that I found at Costco. So we'll use those on the next time. I'm not sure how much vodka we have for these, so I may have to get some more jars pulled out over here.
That's for 1 jar. We're gonna have to open the other pack.
So how many pods do we put in the jar? 3? 3 full pods, 6 halves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because see, you can, now that I cut it, you can split it open and see all the yumming in there. Yum.
So the vanilla bean paste. Smells good too.
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. This is so easy to make, guys, and it's so much better than the ones that you buy in the store. No added preservatives. It's just 2 ingredients.
Okay. I have enough beans for 1 more jar.
So how many jars is that? 4?
4 jars.
Okay. That's fine. We have another thing of beans that I bought. I may get another one the next time I go to Costco because they were so cheap. And they last. This one says it doesn't expire till 2029. Okay, so we've got enough for 4 jars, so we're gonna start with those. We've got this funnel that came with the jars. I ordered the jars off of Amazon, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many were there? 12? How many are left in the jar?
12.
2, 4, 6, yeah. So you get 12 jars in a box on Amazon, and it was really reasonably priced. Comes with a funnel, and it also comes with the extra seals. And if you want to use these chalkboard labels, you can. I can't use those. Since we're selling them in our store, I have to put a label that says a lot more than what I can write on there. Okay. Now the first 2 weeks that we have these, we have to remember that we have to shake them once a day.
Mm-hmm.
And within 24 hours, the liquid is going to turn brown.
I have to wipe the bottles off when we're done because
Yeah,
We cleaned them on the inside, but we need to what? Because it's going to have a little bit of
the alcohol on the
vodka on the
outside.
outside.
Paper towel we can wipe them off with. All right, so we're gonna get our other vanilla beans out, and Mike's gonna seal these up. And then we'll do our next group. I love how they close. It's such a nice seal.
There we go.
Good.
Pretty. They'll start changing color here shortly.
Yeah, they'll start changing color. Doesn't take them long. Okay, let me get the other vanilla beans. Okay, so these are the ones that I got from Costco. So they're organic Madagascar vanilla beans.
Just the same.
And they even say on the back, what is the little recipe thing right there? How to use exactly what we're doing, except if you want the vanilla bean extract, so you can scrape out the vanilla beans with like a spoon, you can do that, but we're gonna make vanilla with ours. Are they just about the same, or do you think these are a little bit, these look bigger? They look longer?
Some of them might be a little bit longer.
They look fatter too.
Not necessarily.
No? When you go to buy, if you buy your vanilla beans on Amazon, make sure you look for the grade A. Those are going to be your better quality for vanilla. They do make grade B. I don't know if they do grade C, but I know that there's grade A and grade B. We've done Madagascar vanilla beans, and then there was another one that we did. I don't remember what it was called, but it's another type of vanilla bean that we did last year. We had one of each. Last year we also did some with vodka and some with bourbon. But I think this year we're just going to do all vodka.
Smells so good.
They do smell so good.
Kind of wonder what it would taste like if you just
Like scraped out the inside.
just put it in your mouth just a little bit. I got a little bit on the knife. I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
Probably tastes like crap because it doesn't have sugar or anything.
Right. No taste?
No, you can taste it.
You can taste it.
It's just not what you would think.
Not as tasty as it smells.
No, but it's not bad either.
Yeah.
I think it needs to be with something
Yeah.
to make it right.
Okay, so we'll see if we can. Before you put them in, do you want to make sure we have enough for all 4 of those jars? Before you
Yeah,
put the
I can
last
tell by
one in?
looking at it.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
I mean, we can get more tomorrow,
And
but
if we don't, we just seal it up.
yeah, we can get more tomorrow. All right,
Let's put
here
some
we
alcohol
go.
in it. Ooh,
Ooh,
that one
too
was a
full.
mistake. I'll come back on that.
Oh, I got away from you. It's deceiving with that.
It's
With a funnel.
precise.
The thing is, if you make your own, you got to make sure that the vanilla beans are covered. That's why we cut them in half, because if we left them tall, they would never be covered. Oh, now that one's really full.
Oh, shit. It's okay. That one's not as full.
Okay. We can seal it, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty. And do we have enough for one more?
You might.
All right, let me grab one more jar. Okay, we're gonna see if we have enough for one more jar.
Let's see.
I think we do. I hope we do.
Pretty close.
Yeah, we do.
Not just enough. Well, we got a little bit left.
Do you want to top off any
No.
of these more
No.
to get rid of it?
No.
Or just dump it?
No, we'll just keep it for the next.
Okay, next batch. All right, so we ended up with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We ended up with 9 vanillas. So we'll keep these in the house temporarily. We'll just give it a quick shake just like this every day. We'll put them in the dining room, and when we walk by, it's just a habit, we do that. And then they'll be going in the store here in about another month, ready for the holidays. Okay guys, thanks for joining us on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was nice to see Mike as a special guest on our channel today. All right, we're gonna take these into the dining room, and we'll put them in the store in about a month. Okay guys, have a great evening. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you see all the updates. See you later guys, bye.